How to change avatar in Honkai Star Rail. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In Honkai Star Rail, if you're looking for a way to change your avatar, first of all, launch open the game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the mobile icon at the top left corner. Now you'll come across this page where you'll need to tap on your current avatar or your profile picture on the top. Now select a different avatar you want to change to from the available list and click on confirm. Soon after you do that, your avatar will be changed. Some of the avatars will be unlocked, whereas some of the avatars out there needs to be unlocked. So keep progressing throughout the game so that other avatar will also be unlocked. So that's how you easily change your avatar in Honkai Star Rail. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.